Governor Wike is a man of many parts. But more importantly for us, he's a trailblazer for justice, fairness, and equity, not just in the South-South region, but in Nigeria at large. Governor Wike speaks the truth fearlessly, morning, afternoon, and night. He is constant in his belief in Nigeria. He is constant that all geographic regions of this country must have their fair share. He believes that nobody must be minimized, that all of us have a responsibility to sit on the table in the federation called Nigeria. Your Excellency, we are here as a delegation from Cross River, complete in our numbers, with the state chairman of party leading us. I, as senator for Central and the governorship candidate of the party, am pleased to announce that we also have Senator Wikeleaks with us. We have our senatorial candidate for the Central, the man who will inevitably take over from me by the grace of God. Right Honorable Bassey Okoye.
Those of them who come to me and say, go and beg Wike. Beg Wike for what? What are you begging Wike for? What did Wike do? We are finished presidential primaries. We have a candidate. We have a vice presidential candidate. Is Wike saying, remove the presidential candidate? No. Is Wike saying, remove vice presidential candidate? No. So what are you begging me for? All I'm saying, and I want not to say, you have taken president. Give us chairman. What did Wike do? And I say, I'm not leaving the party. I work for the party. But agreement is a what? Agreement. And if you cannot keep to what we have said now, is it when you are there you will keep to it? No. You know what's called power? I will not be part of that. Nobody can talk to me to convince me on that. I will never be convinced. Never. You must agree to what we have said. We are the one who said, let us do this zoning as allowed by the party's constitution. I was not part of those who drafted the constitution. I was not one of the founding fathers. As they will say that, they were the founding fathers. Founding fathers who have sold a share. Other people have bought a share. I now come to say you are founding father. Which company are you like? You have founded a company. You sold your share. You know, we founded this company. Which company did you found? You have left today with whatever you have. Which means they had this in mind. Now the thing has come to reality. But resign. No. And people are saying, go and talk to Wike. I've accepted the presidential candidate. Have I not accepted? Have I accepted the presidential candidate? Have I not accepted? What is the problem again? You fulfill your own. Let the South, let them have something. That's what I'm preaching. You cannot be presidential candidate. You cannot be chairman of party, DG of campaign. And someone is telling me, of all the school, my parents struggle, got money to train me. All these running around trying to show people who went to here, who went to here. No, I won't go anywhere. I'll be here. I'll be here. I'm not going anywhere at all. In a party like PDP, that the votes have come from the South, and you say, presidential candidate should be not, chairman should be not, DG should be not, the votes of our people will not be there. I will not agree. If you will agree, you can go. Agree. I will not agree to that. Because history, it doesn't matter whether you win the election or not. But you must show enough is enough. Enough is enough. You know, I don't support whatever they call Muslim ticket. I don't. Okay, you don't like it, but you are supporting handover from one ethnic group to the same ethnic group, from the same region to the same region. Is Nigeria right for that? No. Equity, fairness, and what? Justice. Give to the South. I didn't say bring South. I didn't say bring South. We have South, Southeast, and Southwest. If you say, okay, they will not know. Well, go to Southwest, go to Southeast, go to South. As the case may be, let us have so. This is the period. Power is being played. If you don't have it, forget it. If anybody tells you, you resign when election conducted, then you're a foolish person. This is the time decision is being made. This is the time the presidential candidate, national chairman, and the leader of government will sit. When election is won in February, before the president is sworn in, decisions have been and then they are selling that dummy to you people. Why not wait? Let's finish. Look at it. Every election is local. Every election is what? Local. Let nobody tell you that. Don't be deceived by anything. If you do not stand firm and be committed, where would PDP cross River? Tell me where would we have been? You people stood firm and said, look, we will not leave. How many people came to talk to you? How many people running around? How many of them came to say, look, we are here to support you? How many of them came to you? All of you, be firm. I'm here. Be strong. I said, I have not started politics. Now I have started politics. Do you understand me? I have started what? Politics. You know who I am. Don't worry. They say we are nobody. We are something. Tell them that we are something. Just watch what will happen. Very soon, you will see politics. Do not panic. Do not panic. If they don't believe in you, leave them. It's not true. Don't go and beg. Are you beggars? No. You cannot. Even the beggar say, God, this begging, it will stop today. Do you understand me? Assuming you have been begging, say, God, I begged enough. Today, this begging will stop. And I say, having come here today, the begging has stopped. Melembe. They will see us very soon. I thank you and God bless you.